Kia ora. So today we're going to be looking at Kei Te Peke Ahau, which is book 2 in the series. Maranga Mai and Kei Te Peke Ahau came out at the same time. So if you were one of the first people to get the books, you might have this version, which is the one which has the animal being revealed on the next page. But I'm going to use the latest version today, where the animal is revealed on the same page. So the important thing to know about this one is there's lots of things that you could do with it. I use puppets and I'll show you that today. You could do it in lots of ways, but the most important thing is to include actions. So the children can be doing these actions because that's the best way for them to know what those words mean. If they're jumping and saying Kei Te Peke Ahau, then that will be really instilled in them, probably forever if they do the song often enough. It's a really good settling down song actually, because all the actions are quite vigorous and the last 2 actions are hiding and sleeping. So you'll really enjoy using that one on the mat. If everyone comes to the mat a little bit hypo, then use this one and that'll settle them down a lot. The other thing I just wanted to point out about this book is the importance of pronunciation. So on this word here, Kei Te Peke Ahau, P-E-K-E, which means I am jumping, if your pronunciation is a little bit off and you're not saying your peke, so the vowel sounds a, e, I, or u, so this is an e, Kei Te Peke Ahau, then when you get to climbing like a monkey, it's very similar, but it's picky. So picky and peke, can see how different they are. So you don't want to be jumping like a monkey or climbing like a rabbit. So it's important to get the pronunciation. You might like to talk to the children about that as well. And the other one in this one, which is a little bit similar as well, is paki paki. So you might even talk to the children about, oh, peke and picky and paki paki, they sound very similar, but what are the differences? It would be a good way to introduce the vowel sounds and how they are in Te Reo Māori. So what we're going to do is show you this book today using puppets. Don't feel that you need to do that yourself, but it makes it a fun way if you can, or masks or some other way that you can interpret the animals.
Kei te peke ahau, kei te peke ahau, peke, peke, peke. Kei te peke ahau, kei te peke ahau, peke, peke, peke. Anō nei he rapati.
Just like a rabbit. And you can say that. You can say just like a rabbit. You could also join in here with the English. I'm running. Run everyone, run on the spot, run on the spot. Kei te oma ahau.
Anō nei he pukeko.
Just like a pukeko. On the first reading it's good to include the English so they know. Kei te ahau, re 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 re. Kei te re ahau, kei te re ahau. I'm flying. Anō nei he manu. Just like a bird. Children will love the stamping.
Kei te taka hia, kei te taka hia, taka hia. Kei te taka hia, kei te taka hia, taka hia. Anō nei he puru.
Just like a ball. So this is climbing like a monkey.
Peke ahau, kei te peke ahau, peke, peke, peke. Kei te peke ahau, kei te peke ahau, peke, peke, peke. Anō nei he maki maki.
Just like a monkey. Good climbing, everyone. Now can you walk like a chicken?
Kei te hiko ahau, kei te hiko ahau, hiko, hiko, hiko. Kei te hiko ahau, kei te hiko ahau, hiko, hiko, hiko. Anō nei he hei hei.
Just like a chicken. Now clapping, everyone.
Kei te paki,
Kei te paki,
paki, paki, paki, paki, paki, paki. Kei te paki, paki. te paki paki, paki paki.
Mai te paki paki.
Anō nei he kikino.
Just like a seal. Kikino. Time to dance.
Kani kani
Kei te kani kani ahau. I am dancing. Could use the ribbons if you want to as well.
Kani kani.
Kani kani.
Anō nei he pūrere hua.
Just like a beautiful butterfly dancing through the garden. Hide down low now, everyone.
Kei te huna ahau. Huna huna huna.
Hiding.
Kei te huna ahau. Kei te huna ahau. Huna huna huna. Anō nei he hunu.
Just like a turtle. Now stay down low. Sleep.
Kei te moe ahau, kei te moe ahau, e moe pepi.
Sleep,
Kei te
baby.
moe ahau, kei te moe